Hey guys, welcome back to the online class and good morning to everyone. Okay, so today, as you know that yesterday I have completed half of the chapter and today I'm gonna finish this chapter. Okay, and later on tomorrow I'm gonna come with the video in which I'm gonna describe or explain the summary of this chapter and we'll discuss the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's get started. First we'll take a recap what we have seen yesterday and then we'll continue the chapter. Okay, so what we have seen yesterday, that the narrator came to visit the school because he heard so much about Miss Beam's school, and he was so curious to know what the methods are going means followed in this school, why this school is so popular, what speciality of this school is. Okay, so he came there to find that. When he came, he found many different things, that the students are not capable, they are blind, they are lame, they are means many things he had seen there. Okay, so he was so pity for them that they are not able to do things by their own, and they are like healthy means they are not healthy and they are not active too. Okay, but in his thought, Miss Bean laughed at him because they were not actually blind, they were not actually dumb, they were not actually crippled. Okay, they are just playing the part, or they have the day in which they have to follow this, that they have to become a blind, they have to become a dumb. Okay, तो ये उनका एक दिन था, एक पार्ट रहता है. ओके, and she said that peoples who play the part of blind day, the others who help, they also learn. Both the helpers and the blind students will learn something from each other, and something from their part what they are actually playing. Okay, तो ये सारे चीज़ उनको समझ में आ गए. Okay, and now let's continue from the 10th paragraph. There's no misery about it, Miss Bean continued. Everyone is very kind, and it is really something of a game before the day is over, though even the most thoughtless child realizes what misfortune is. Yes, now Miss Bean told to the narrator that everyone is very kind. Everyone is very kind. It is really something of a game. एक गेम की वजह से जो बच्चे कुछ भी नहीं समझते हैं, उन्हें किसी चीज़ का फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, वंस दे विल प्ले द पार्ट ऑफ द सर्टेन थिंग्स लाइक अ ब्लाइंड और अ लेम और अ और ए डम, जो भी पार्ट वो प्ले करेंगे, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो भी इनसे कुछ सीखेंगे. दे विल रियलाइज द व्हाट मिसफॉर्चून इज़, वो बैड लक क्या होता है. ठीक है. This blind day is, of course, really the worst, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most difficult. Yes, the blind day is the worst, I can understand, but some children complained me that the dumb day is the really worst day. We cannot bandage the children's mouth, so they really have to exercise their willpower. Come into the garden and see for yourself how the children feel about it. Now, she explained that we cannot bandage anyone's mouth. Okay, हम लोग मुंह पे पट्टी नहीं लगा सकते, right? They have to exercise their willpower and they have to try much hard that they should not speak anything. They should not speak anything. Okay, now let's come to the garden. We'll meet some more students, we'll meet some more children, and experience what they feel about it. Miss Beam led me to one of the bandaged girls. Here's a gentleman come to talk to you, said Miss Beam and left us. Miss Beam ने द नरेटर को उन लड़कियों के पास ले आया जहाँ पे वो लड़की किसी एक लड़की के पास ले आए जो बैंडेज थी, आईज पे बैंडेज लगाई हुई थी. Narrator asked, don't you peep? I asked the girl. Oh, no, she exclaimed. That would be cheating, but I had no idea it was so awful to be blind. You can't see a thing. You feel you are going to be hit by something every moment. It's such a relief just to sit down. Okay, now want this narrator asked to the girl that won't you peep, मतलब क्या तुम पट्टी के ऊपर या नीचे से देख नहीं सकती हो? तो गर्ल ने क्या रिप्लाई किया, नो आई वोंट, आई कांट, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी अ चीटिंग, वो चीटिंग होता है ना. एंड फिर मुझे ये भी पता नहीं चलता कि ब्लाइंड पर्सन कैसा फील करते इफ़ आई वुड हैव डन चीटिंग एंड आई कुड हैव नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना बुरा होता है ये ब्लाइंड होना. बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट समवेयर एट सम पॉइंट यू गोना हिट बाई समथिंग, आपको किसी ना किसी चीज़ से चोट लग सकता है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी थिंग्स प्रॉपरली, राइट. Are your helpers kind to you? I asked. Now, the narrator asked to the girl that, are your helpers are kind? जो तुम्हें help करते हैं आज के दिन में when you play the part of a blind day, तो जो तुम्हारे helpers होते, क्या helpers kind होते हैं? Fairly, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. Those that have been blind already are the best helpers. It's perfectly ghastly not to see. I wish you would try. Now, what does the girl said to the question of narrator that the helpers would be kind? तो लड़की ने क्या रिप्लाई किया, हाँ शायद वो अच्छे होते, लेकिन जब मेरा टर्न आएगा तो मैं काफ़ी अच्छा ये पार्ट कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे रियलाइज़ है कि ब्लाइंड होने पर आपको कैसे हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है. ओके, एंड the children who had already played the part of this blind day would have helped me in a very great way. So I will also like you to try it once. You should also try this blind day once. Shall I lead you anywhere? I asked. Now, narrator asked to the girl that, can I help you to lead anywhere? क्या मैं तुम्हारा हेल्प करके कहीं पे तुम्हें पहुंचा सकता हूँ? Oh, yes, she said. Let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about the things. I shall be so glad when today is over. Now the girl said, yes, we will. Now let's get on a walk. एक walk पे चलते हैं and जो भी चीज़ आपको वहाँ पर दिखेगा you have to tell it to me. And मैं बहुत खुश होंगी अगर आज का दिन जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome because you can't eat without help and things like that. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least not much, but being blind is so frightening. My head aches all the time just from worrying that I'll get hurt. Where are we now? Now I'll get hurt. Now she said, वो लड़की ने क्या बोला कि ये ब्लाइंड डे इज़ क्वाइट लाइक उसका हाफ डे भी इतना बड़ा होता है दैट मुझे इससे अच्छा वो क्या ये हैविंग अ लेग टाइट, जब वो उसका पैर बंधा होता है और उसको हॉप करके कूदक कूदक के चलना पड़ता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट क्रच, वो बैसाखी की हेल्प से, तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है ना. इवन मुझे मेरा आर्म्स को बांध दिया जाता है एंड उस टाइम मुझे खाना दूसरे के हेल्प से खाना पड़ता है, तो इट वुड बी ओके फाइन. आई कैन इवन अगर मैं एक दिन के लिए डेफ मतलब नहीं सुनने वाला काम करती हूँ फिर भी दैट इज़ क्वाइट ओके. लेकिन द ब्लाइंड डे इज़ द मोस्ट फ्राइटनिंग डे, इज़ द मोस्ट फ्राइटनिंग डे. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे हमेशा मेरे सर में दर्द रहता है ये सोच कर दैट आई वुड फॉल डाउन इफ़ आई वुड नॉट बी लेड बाई द हेल्पर्स. अगर मुझे कोई हेल्प नहीं करेगा आई वुड हैव हिट बाई सम थिंग. Where are we now? Now the girl asked to the narrator when they are on the walk. She asked, where are we now? कहाँ पर हैं हम अभी? In the playground, I said. The narrator said, what? In the playground. We are walking towards the house. We are walking towards the house. Miss Beam. Miss Beam is walking up and down the garden with the tall girl. Now, what the narrator said to the girl when she asked where we are now, he said that in the playground and they are moving towards the house, and Miss Beam is walking up and down the garden with the tall girl. What is the girl wearing? My little friend asked. Okay, what is the girl wearing? उस लड़की ने नरेटर से पूछा. ओके, कि अभी वो जो लड़की है वो क्या पहनी हुई है. अ ब्लू कॉटन स्कर्ट एंड अ पिंक ब्लाउज. तो नरेटर ने क्या रिप्लाई दिया? अ पिंक स्कर्ट, सॉरी, अ ब्लू स्कर्ट एंड अ पिंक ब्लाउज. I think it's Millie, she said. What color is her hair? Very light, I said. Yes, that's Millie. She's the head girl. Now, when the girl asked that what the color of the dress, when I explained, she easily recognized कि वो कौन लड़की है. वो मिली है. कौन है? मिली. Just tell me the color of the hair and I will be more confirmed that she is Millie with Miss Beam. Miss Beam के साथ कौन है? मिली है. So tell me the hair color. The hair color was light of that girl, and which assures her that she was Millie who was with Miss Bean. Yes, there's an old man tying up roses, I said. Now, the narrator told more to her that an old man is tying up the roses. Yes, that's Peter. He is the gardener and he is hundreds of year old. वो जो गार्डनर है वहाँ पे वो क्या है? उसका नाम क्या है? पीटर है. ओके, वो गार्डनर है. एंड उस गर्ल ने क्या बोला? दैट ही इज़ ऑफ 100 years old. ही इज़ ऑफ 100 years old. And here comes a girl with curly red hair. She is on crutches. She is on crutches. Now again the narrator told to the girl that एक लड़की और है जो curly hair के साथ है, curly red hair के साथ है, and she is on crutches. मतलब बैसाखी पर वो चल रही है. Just look at the picture, just like that. Okay. Now that's Anita, she said. Now the girl what said? She said that वो जो लड़की है जो क्रचेस पे चल रही है जिसका बाल कर्ली है एंड रेड हेयर है, then she is Anita. And so we walked on gradually. I discovered that I was 10 times more thoughtful than I ever thought I could be. I also realized that if I had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to me. When I finally had to leave, I told Miss Beam that I was very sorry to go. Now, what happened? At the last, he realized he was so thoughtful than earlier. जितना वो सोचते थे उससे कई ज़्यादा वो यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ सीख कर जा रहे हैं ना. And it was so interesting to him when he had explained something about our surrounding things to a person, to the girl, and it creates much more change in him. And he was very sorry for leaving that place. Ah, she replied, then there is something in my system after all. And Miss Beam ये सुनने के बाद उन्होंने क्या बोला? That yes, I know. And उन्होंने बहुत proudly ये बात बोला that our school is really good. And ये हमारे system में ही ऐसा है that every people get attracted to this school because we only deal with the thoughtfulness and kindness and being responsible citizens और simple things को learn करवाते हैं. And she was so proud to tell this. Okay, तो मिस बीम ने अपने स्कूल का एक टूर हमें भी कराया एंड टू द नरेटर ऑल्सो, टू द ईवी ल्यूकस को भी, है ना. एंड इट वॉज सो ग्रेट टू लर्न दिस स्टोरी एंड आई थिंक इट वुड हेल्प यू टू लर्न मोर एंड इट विल क्रिएट some kindness in you. You will be more thoughtful, and yes, of course, being a responsible person. Okay, whenever you are finding a people or an animals or whatever, they need your help, you must come you must help them instead of ignoring or doing anything. Okay, so once you will play the part of a blind or a deaf, dumb or lame, you must understand their misfortune. उनका bad luck आप समझ सकते हो unless we will play the part. Okay, जब तक उनका part play नहीं करेंगे we won't be able to understand, or if we will hear something or means ये चीज़ सुनने के बाद भी you can also create some thoughtfulness in you. So this is all about the chapter, and tomorrow I'm gonna explain you the summary of this chapter, and we will go through the exercises part also. So guys, stay tuned, and bye everyone, and have a nice day too all. Bye everyone.